Objective of this video is to understand what is ngIf structural directive. Well, ngIf displays or removes the element based on conditions evaluation, and it is called structural directive because it can alter or change the structure of the DOM. That means if the condition is true, that particular element will be added to the DOM. If the condition is false, that particular element will be removed from the DOM. Now the syntax for ngIf is very simple. We have element name, then star. Star is treated as a syntactical sugar to denote it as a structural directive. ngIf equal to condition. Now these conditions will be similar to what we have in the normal if. There will be or, and, boolean evaluation. So the output of this condition has to be a boolean output. That means it has to be either true or false. Based on that, this particular element will be displayed or removed. Now, in order to demonstrate the ngIf structural directive, I have created a simple project in which we are going to write the code for ngIf. So first step in this is I'm going to create a boolean variable. So we have a title that is already added here. Title is a string type variable which will be helping us to display the title on the HTML. Here I'm going to add another variable, display title. So here I have created one more variable that will be called as display title, and this is a boolean variable. Boolean variable deal in the values of true and false. So at this moment I have set the value of it to true. Now let's go and write the code for HTML part. Now here I'm going to add an s2 tag, and using the string interpolation we are going to display the title here. Now I want to add the ngIf condition, so that will be added on the opening tag of the s2 element. Here I will be writing star ngIf equal to display title. Now since the value of display title set in app component.ts is to true, the title should be displayed on the screen. So let's go and see the output on the screen. And here you can see the title is displayed here. Now let's change the value of display title variable to false and see the output. So here I'm going to change it to false. Now here you can see that particular title is not displayed. And let me show you one more thing. So if we inspect this part, in the body app root, you will only find ngIf example, but the title element itself is not added. That is why it is called a structural directive. You can see even the element is not added into your HTML code. If I change the value back to true, now the title is displayed here. Now let's inspect this one. Here you can see the title element is also added here. Earlier, if the value is false, the title element is not at all added to the HTML. If the value of display title element is true, then the HTML element is added to the HTML body. So this is ngIf, the structural directive that will help us to add or remove the HTML elements on the basis of condition. We will be revisiting the ngIf structural directive in future videos again and again. I hope you have liked this video. Do subscribe and thank you.